Hey YouTube, how's it going? So, just a couple things. I got a new topper. It doesn't look as good as the other one did on the truck, but it's taller, so that's why I got it. It's not the same color as the truck. I know the other one was almost the same color. Probably it was originally the same color. It's just faded now. But this one is silver, and the truck obviously is gray. So, it doesn't match, but it looks like it fits a little bit better. It doesn't hang off the sides of the truck as much as the other one did. But up towards the cab, it also doesn't go out as far as the bed rails do. So, whatever. It fits. There's no open spots along the bed, so it fits good enough. Oh, we got some traffic coming. Well, I guess I'm coming towards the traffic, but you know. But so anyway, it's taller, so I think I know I'll have more headroom than I would have in the other one. I think it'll be a lot more comfortable. But so second thing is today we are going to start working on the bed. Well, working on the interior in general. So what I want to do for the bed is I want to have a bed that it can be a couch and slide out into a bed. But I don't want it to like fold out into a bed. I want it to slide. So basically, I don't want like a jackknife futon or something like that. So basically, I'm slowing down a lot. I don't know why. Up in front there, it looks like it's pretty open. But so basically, every other slat on it. Oh, somebody's pulled over. That's why. That's the entire reason for all that traffic. Really? I hate people. Everybody's got to stop and look. But so anyway, every other slat on the bed will be connected to another board that will be able to slide out basically and extend the bed to, it'll be a little bit smaller than a full-size width-wise. It'll be a little bit less wide than a full-size bed, full-size mattress. But, so I'm going to get, I need to stop saying but. I keep saying but. There. So anyway, I'm going to get a full-size memory foam mattress. And I think that it should be able to fit fine. The reason I'm going to get memory foam is because I'm going to use it like a futon mattress, to where when the bed slides up, the mattress will go up the side of the topper, the truck, up the bed rail and onto the side of the topper to form like a couch. That will be what it is, so that I can sit up and watch TV or whatever. And I also have floor space then, for whatever, for the dog or whatever. I have a dog, by the way. But so anyway, I'm gonna start working on the bed, and don't know how far we'll get, but hopefully we can get some of it done. At least the main first part of it. That'd be cool. And then on the opposite side, the bed's gonna go along the right side of the bed of the truck, the box of the truck. And then down the left side, I'm going to have a countertop with shelving underneath of it, and then above the window I want to have some small shelves along the, pretty much basically above the window, shelves above the window, along the roof kind of, in the back. And so that's pretty much the plan that I've got so far. I haven't really decided anything else. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm thinking, since I have an 8-foot box on the truck, the bed, I'm just under 6 foot tall, so I don't need a bed that's longer than 6 foot. So I should theoretically have 2 feet in front of the bed. So I'm gonna put some shelves that go from floor to ceiling, probably, in front of the bed. least that's the plan anyway. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. So let's get to making the bed. product, well, final product of the first piece of the bed. Nice and stable, doesn't wiggle, nice and flat. Had to notch out this leg right here, just not really notch out, but make it, I cut an inch off the bottom of that one. All the other three are the same height. So I believe this one, that one, and that one are all 14 inches. And then this one right here would only be 13 inches. So the rest of the bed's kind of divoted down a little bit. That spot's right on the edge. I don't know why that back corner over there isn't the same as this one over here, but I don't know. It works. It's nice and flat. Doesn't rock back and forth or anything. So I'm happy with it. So when it's the size of this, the mattress, there will be a board that sticks up a little bit, probably an inch or so right here on this, or sorry, right here. There will be a board that sticks up about an inch or so right here, and then along this wall, so the mattress will be folded up along this wall right here to kind of create like a couch type thing, because there will be the slide out. I'm thinking the counter is going to come just a little bit past the wheel well right here is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking too right about where that bolt is, so I'll have from where that mounting bolt or whatever to the edge of this bed right here. So I'd say it's a little over a foot of space right there, which I think is plenty. So the bed will come out another foot or so, which will make it about, the bed will be a little over 4 feet. And full-size mattress, I believe, is 4.5 feet wide. So I think we'll be able to squeeze it in there because there's a little bit of extra space next to on that side of the bed over there. So I think we'll be able to squeeze it in there. I think it'll work. If not, it's foam, so I can always make it smaller, cut some of it off, I'm sure. Normal mattress, you wouldn't be able to do that, but memory foam mattress, I think I should be able to do that. But yep, so that's the final product of this part. So then the next part, the slide out, basically there will be more of these, in between each of these slats there's exactly enough room for one of these with super tiny gap in between each of them, because they got to be able to slide nice and smooth, or at least slide in general. But so there will be, each of these will have here. Okay, so basically another slat, see it fits right in there, got a little bit of wiggle room. So that, when it's folded up, there will be a 2x4 right here under the slat that'll fold up to here. So then there will be another piece of wood sticking up right here to hold the mattress. So then there will also be a 2x4 underneath of these slats going the entire length of this bed. Entire length of the bed. That this side of each of these in between slats will be connected to. So then it'll be able to slide back with that 2x4 connected to it. Obviously, let's see. So it'll be about this length. It'll stick out about this much farther. So this board will actually probably be long enough for it. And then, so then this will slide in to probably about where those lines are. Maybe a little bit farther. Probably like right there. So then there will be a 2x4 going across pretty much down a quarter of the way out from the wall of the side width of the bed. 2x4 running the length that will only be bolted or screwed to these slats that are going to be in between each of them. And then there will be another board underneath right here that that 2x4 will be sitting on, so that it can slide back and forth without, otherwise obviously it would just fall through. So that's the idea, is these will just slide out just like that. Probably stop like right there from the 2x4 holding it. So this actually might be like a perfect length board right here. This is just a scrap from making these. So yeah, that's basically the idea of how that's going to work. So yeah, but for now, this is what I got. This is what we made. And so tomorrow we will start working on the slide out. As always, guys, hope you enjoyed. Comment your thoughts, like, and subscribe. Catch you later.
Everybody fucking right!